Welcome to my channel. It is your girl Simmery and I'm back with another video, and today I will be talking to you about whether or not you need to get an influencer. So if you're ready to hear what I have to say about that, stay tuned. Alright y'all, everybody wants a successful business, right? Everybody wants to make the money, right? But sometimes it gets a little hard. So we decide to get influencers. Influencers can be great or not so great. It's up to how you choose your influencer. I have a new candle business called Legacy Candles Co. And I have decided to get an influencer to help me with my brand. I thought about it long and hard, and I decided that I would like to do it. But I'm going to give you some things that went through my mind before I decided if I wanted to do that or not. The first thing is, how are you going to get an influencer? Where do you go to look for an influencer? There's several places. You can look on Facebook, you can look on Instagram, you can find them through YouTube. Several different ways. There's groups out here in these social media sites that you can get someone in there to help you. Once you do that, once you put up your little ad asking for influencers, influencers want it, influencers need it. Once you put that up, I hope that you are ready to get a lot of incoming traffic, a lot of emails, a lot of texts, a lot of DMs. I hope you're ready for that. It's more than just that. Are you ready to be able to answer the questions that they're going to have for you? Do you have questions for them? These are some things that I personally would ask each person, and I would do my research. You have to do your research. For number one, once they inbox you or however they contact you, you need to go on their social site that they're going to be using to promote your product. See if how often do they post. See how many followers they have. See how many likes their videos and pictures get. See how many everything. So you have to see everything. See if everything is looking good on their page. Do they post? It's very important to see if they post. Are they posting a lot? Do they have a lot of engagement? Are people liking their posts? Are people commenting on their posts? How are they presenting their self? How are they coming off? This is your brand. This is your baby. You're building. You have built from the ground up, and you want to keep it that way. You don't want to get someone to tear your business down saying, well, the company looks nice, the product is nice, but the person representing them, I don't think that's a good fit. You don't want that. You want your influencer to match your brand. Not being like, picky, but you have to be picky because this is something that you invested in for your future, for your kids' future, for your family, for the world to see. So you have to protect it like you would protect your child. Literally, your brand is your baby. Literally. So you have to protect your brand, yourself, your money. Your money. Your money is very important. I know they say, I'm not into this business for the money. Okay, yes, we are. We're in it to sell our products, to let the world know who we are. But the money is what we're doing it for. We're doing it so that we can take care of our families. We can take care of ourselves. We can go on trips. We can be independent. We don't have to be on a clock, clocking in and out. We'll have to have someone stand over our back telling us what to do. We're doing this for a better life for ourselves. So yes, we are doing it for the money. There's nothing wrong with saying that. I mean, you don't have to say it, but I mean, that's what it's for. At the end of the day, we're doing it for a better lifestyle for our family, for ourselves. So make sure that the person that you choose to represent your brand is representing you the best way they can. Look at their social media. If you have to look it up and down several times, look it up several times. You're putting your brand in their hand. You're putting your money in their pockets. So make sure the person is doing a very good job. Make sure you communicate with this person. Make sure you get a little contract. There's contracts all over the internet. There's apps that you can download to keep track of how much money this person's getting. It's all types of things. But make sure you're secure, and then the person's going to make sure they're secure. Make sure you have a complete contract of the things that you want done, what you don't want done. And if they can agree with that, then they're not the fit for you. You know what you want for your brand. As long as it's nothing crazy, you have the right to pick and choose who you want to represent you. That's very important for number one. You want customers to keep coming back. So you need to make sure it's represented in the best form possible. So if you want them to post 2-3 times a week, put that in your contract. Get a contract, a little small contract. I want you to post 2-3 times a week. I want you to post in your story. I want you to share it. I want you to make a small clip. Be specific because you're paying them. You're paying them. You're both winning. You're getting your product sold. They're getting free products, and they're getting a percentage of your money. That's another thing. How do you want to do it? Do you want to give them the free products to promote, and you keep giving them the free products every month, or however you want to do it to promote your business? Or do you want to give them a percentage of each sale you make? Or you want to do both? You have to know what you, before you put that influencers needed or wanted, you need to know what you want. Do you want to just give them a free product and call it? Or do you want to give them a percentage by using a code? It's up to you. Different influencers like different things. Some people just love to get the free things and promote. And some people want to get paid. Now, I'm not saying this is true, but from other people that I've experienced with, when you give a person free product, they don't promote you as strongly as a person you're paying. Because the person knows if they do not get it done correctly, they're not getting paid. So I will say that you're more likely to get more achieved with the person that you're giving 5%, 10% commission to off each item they sell. That's the road that I'm going. I want to give them a percentage of each sale they do. That keep them wanting to keep going, and it just keeps the cycle going, the flow going, and we want it. We want that, guys. We want that. So the only way to do that is to put a percentage on it. If you have a Shopify site, there's apps on there, and not only apps, there's also like when you put the percentage code in, it'll let them know, okay, say someone's name is Kira, okay, use code Kira for this candle. When they put the code Kira in, it'll log it for you. How did this person find this? And you be like, okay, so that's Kira. So if say my candles are $15 and I'm giving them 5% of that, I know how much to give Kira because her name is with the code. You have to know how you want to do your business. You have to be able to gain rapport with this person. Is this person going to be only for you? That's another thing. Do you want a person that's already promoting 5 people already? Or do you want a person that's promoting you and one other person? Or do you want this person promoting just for you? It's up to you. It's up to you. Me personally, I'll say maybe one other person for me. I don't need someone who's has 5 people that they're promoting. No, because guess what? You're not taking enough time for me as far as you're trying to get everything and everybody situated. No, I need you to be able to focus on me. Give it more time, make it look more presentable and better because you're focusing. You have 1 or 2 clients, not 5, and you got to post everybody's stuff all during the week. It's a mess. It don't look real. It look like the person is just trying to get money. Okay, because how can you genuinely promote 5 people at one time? You're just doing something. How do I know that what you're saying is true? You go in there, the person have 5 clients, and they say, oh, well, yes, not the smack report, I'm sorry. They go and they say, well, I'm promoting legacy candles. This candle smells so good. Y'all have got to try this candle. This candle smells, oh, it's so good. Link in description. No. Then you turn around and the next post is, oh girl, I just got this new shirt. It's so pretty. It looks so good on me. It's crop top. It's this, it's that. Link in description. I'm not going to be believing this person after a while because you up here promoting everything. You're not genuinely taking it serious. They're not genuinely taking it serious and saying, this is a beautiful candle. On their website, you can click this and you'll get to this candle. They have them on sale right now. The color is beautiful and the smell is great. They have different fragrances you can choose from. Shop Legacy Candles. You know, use my code to get this percentage off. That's more presentable than, oh, this candle smells so good. It smells so good. Link in the description. Link in the box. I'm not paying nobody to do that to me. I'm sorry. I'm not being picky, but like I said, this is your baby. You didn't invested your money in this, so you deserve to get what you paid for. So just be careful. Be very mindful about that. Very, very mindful. It's up to you what you like to choose. I hope I gave you a little bit of, how to handle things. But in a nutshell, make sure you go over the person's socials. Do they have a lot of followers? Do they post? Do they get likes? Do they get comments? Is there a lot of engagement? Like, you have to know these things. Get a small contract. Do you want this person to work for you and one other person? Do what you have to do. Do you want this person to get a code and get commission, or you want them to just get free candles, or you want them to get both? It just depends on how you want to do. But I can say the most important thing is you have to make sure the person has followers. You don't want someone coming to you with 1,000 followers and 2 pictures on their thing, and you're like, baby, you can't really help me because you only have 2 pictures, and they're not even from this year. That's why I put on mine serious inquiries only. I'm sorry. I mean, I don't have that many followers on my Instagram, and I do know that. But I'm not out here trying to convince nobody to let me get their products and promote them either. And you need to make sure that you choose a good candidate. Simple as that. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put in the comments if y'all feel like I'm wrong or if I'm right. I'm just keeping it real because I know how it can be out here. It's hard, it's rough, but this is your business. It's up to you. You choose what you want to do. You don't know. You don't jump on the first person raising their hand and saying, oh, I want influence for you. Don't do that. You say, okay, well, give me your information. Right now, I have a list. I'm going through everyone's Instagrams, everyone's social to see what's going on and see what I see, what I like, what I don't like, and I'll get back with you on such and such day and let you know. Do not jump at the first person. I'm so sorry. I'm talking all of myself. Don't jump at the first person and say, oh, me. No. Because I guarantee you that same person won't let you do that to them. They're going to be like, hold on, baby. Hold on. Let me run through my list and see what I'm working with first. And I'll let you know. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below how you guys feel. As a matter of fact, comment your business down below. I want to help everyone. Comment your business down below. Let's all get together and help each other out. It's enough money out here for everybody. We don't have to be holding back secrets or anything, because guess what? What's for you is for you. And just because a person knows something, same thing, don't mean they're going to work it the way you're going to work it. Everybody's drive and willpower is different. It doesn't matter if four people get the same information sitting right in front of their lap. All 4 ain't going to do it the same. It's up to you. So it don't matter how many. It's a lot of candle business out here. It's a couple in my city. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about Legacy Candles. I'm worried about making Legacy Candles the best candle company around. I'm not worried about no competition. Everybody don't use the same oils. Everybody don't have my vessels, my candle vessels. Everybody oil ain't the same. You could have the same person with pink lemonade oil for their candles, and I guarantee neither one gonna smell the same. Somebody adding this, somebody cutting that, somebody shortening that, or putting 2 more. Don't worry about what other people have. You worry about and focus on you. And another thing I want to say, do not go on other people's socials and social media and on their websites and try to do what they're doing. You're going to be forever doing that. Focus on you. You need to focus on yourself. Make sure you worry about your brand. That's their brand. Make yours authentic, real. You don't need nobody saying, oh, they kind of look like me. No, I look like Legacy Candles. I'm not looking like nobody. I don't package like nobody. I don't look at nobody's stuff. I don't want to be like nobody. How am I going to stand out if I'm doing the exact same thing they doing? No. Get your own thing. Everybody got boxes. Everybody got tissue paper. Everybody got whatever they need to package their candles. But if you notice, everybody doing their own thing. I know it's only so many ways to do it, but you still can throw your own twist on it. You can put something extra in your boxes. It's on you. You do what's best for you and your company. I'm speaking on candles because I have a candle company. But do what's best for y'all. Do what's best. Like I said, put your businesses down below. We can check them out. It may be a business that we have no idea that's out. I know my business is very new, so no one knows what Legacy Candles is. But I put the link in the description. Go check your girl out. I got nice stuff on my website. I'm just saying. And we highly fragranced. I may add that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said a million times, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos pertaining to this, because my channel is an entrepreneur channel. You may see me talking about something else next week, but right now I'm focusing on my candle business, and I want to continue to do so. So until next time, Marie is out.